Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Pad Go 2. In this video let me show you how to fix low FPS in games on this device. So let's open settings and you want to scroll to section display and brightness. Now let's find screen refresh rate. And now let's go to app specific refresh rate. Now you will see a list of all your applications, and from this list you want to find your game. So tap on the game, but I will simply tap on clock, for example, and let's tap 120 Hz option specifically for your game. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.